So the case is that your payment method is declined, or you are seeing an error while purchasing any application, or maybe you are unable to download even a free application from the App Store on your iPhone or any other iOS device. So there's nothing to worry about, as in today's video we are going to talk about the same issue and how we can fix it. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So like here, I'm planning to upgrade my iCloud plan from 50 GB to 200 GB plan, and once I choose to buy it, it shows me an error that it is unable to complete the purchase, and it asks for your Apple ID as well. So in case if you have forgotten your iCloud password, refer to the blog link given below in the video's description or in the pinned comment to know the process of resetting your iCloud password. Moving ahead, once you will log in, it will simply ask you to add some money in your Apple wallet. Now, in a lot of countries, Apple has discontinued adding recurring payment methods like credit card and more. So the recommended method works by adding money in the Apple wallet in advance and to purchase application services or app renewal using the wallet money. Now, for adding money directly in your Apple wallet, go to Settings, then Payment and Shipping option. Under this, click on Add Payment Method option. The wallet money can be added using UPI and net banking in India. In other countries, you may see credit card or debit card option as well. And to find a complete list of payment methods accepted by Apple in different countries, refer to the article whose link I have attached to this video's description or in the pinned comment. After this, enter your UPI ID and click on Done, and your payment method will be added. Now, for adding money in your wallet, click on Add Funds option, which is just above the Add Payment Method option. Then choose the amount you want to add in your Apple wallet and click on the next button. Now you have to complete the payment through added UPI ID, and once you will do it, your Apple wallet will be updated immediately, and now you will be able to buy any application from the App Store. You will be able to download even the free application and also to renew the old application membership. So this is how you can easily fix this payment issues on your Apple device. And if you guys are having any question in mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm TheFatRat, and I will catch you in the next one.